that one's got a hot orange on it. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, here's some really big pumpkins. How much are these little ones? Yeah, I know. Those are the ones I was coming to look for. Lily, look at this big, gigantic pumpkin. That one. It's $10. Look at that. So is that one. These are good carving pumpkins. Oh, those are $3 too. And these ones are $5 each. That is a good pumpkin. These are cool. They're, yeah, these are cool. I like these. These are definitely, they're purple. I haven't seen these before. Have you? Dark blue. Mine's black. I like it. I like it. Okay, get that one. There's a black one.
Pulls down from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Yeah, the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.